Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log into Deutsche Bank Online Banking. Let's start with the Deutsche Bank mobile app. First, open the Deutsche Bank app on your phone. Once the app opens, you will see the main login screen. Here, you can sign in using your branch number, account number, and your PIN. Enter the required information carefully into the correct fields, and then continue with the login process. If you do not prefer to log in this way, there is another option available. On the same screen, tap the button that says Login with Bank ID. After tapping that button, enter your bank ID in the field shown on the screen. Once you have entered the correct information, you may also need to type in the passcode that you set up during the account registration process. Make sure that the details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. When the verification is complete, you will be successfully logged into your Deutsche Bank online banking account through the mobile application. Now let's look at how to log in using the Deutsche Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Deutsche Bank website. When the home page loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Just like in the mobile app, you can choose to sign in with your bank ID, or you can use your branch number, account number, and PIN. Enter the information that matches your preferred login method and continue to access your online banking account. Thanks for watching.